SC Speed RC Racing.
Hey out there, this is SC from SC Speed RC Racing, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Sakura Mini M4 Sport 3Racing chassis. Now this is an older video, so excuse the fingers. I don't have any video of me putting this chassis together, but however, I will be explaining my experience of putting the chassis together and doing a test run later on in the video. So enjoy the video.
Well, today we got a new unboxing of another RC car. Excuse me. So we're gonna open this up. You be seeing it just like I'm seeing it. Here's another chassis here. Let's see what we got. Okay, the box is packaged good. See, it does take a little bit. We have one hand filming, one hand in the box. So there we go. And what do we have here? Okay, so we got a 3Racing Sport Sakura. This is the 110 scale. Sealed. You can see. Factory seal. So this brand new. No issues. Should have all the parts and pieces. Let's go ahead and break that seal. See what we got inside. Okay, so here's what we got inside the box. We got tires, whole kit, small tires for a 110 scale. And very small tires. Not the same as the TT02. And this is Sakura here as well, but this is a VTA car. So still, I'm gonna go through. Got part 3. The very part that was on top was the G. See the G. On the parts are here. Each bag has something different in it. We got right here. We got the excuse me. What's here is your gears. It's all in this bag. With the gear oil as well. We got bearings. Steel bearing. Very nice. That'll be good. We got a chassis here. This is like a plastic chassis. But these chassis are really, really good. They're really strong. And like this Sakura here, I haven't had any issues with it at all. Here we got the shocks in package 7. What's here? What is this? Oh shoot, look at that. They gave you a pair of turnbuckle presses, so you can press the all your parts together. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice. You got belts here, and yeah, this is for your steering system. Just anti-roll bars, top deck as well. Oh man, I'm surprised here with these tools. They actually gave you tools with this set. So, but yeah, we're gonna put this together. That's just an unboxing. Let's see what else we got. We got some stickers as well. some Sakura stickers. Never put these on, but they're in here. Okay. The instructions here. I'm gonna put all this together. These instruction manuals are really good. So,
all right, here we are with the chassis. And as you can see, like I said before, you get a nice set of pliers that come along with the chassis. And you get a turnbuckle turner that comes along with the chassis as well. So that you can turn your turnbuckles up here in the front for your steering linkages, ones in the back as well, so that you can adjust your toe in and adjust your toe out. Now, they're not perfect, but they do the job to get to where you want to be. Your battery, you're gonna need a shorty battery to fit inside of here. They actually fit in quite nicely with these shorty batteries. You just get the right adjustment. Now, as far as the servo, you want to get a shorter servo, not the longer servo, the shorter servo, because the way the car is designed, it just would be so long back here where you're going to end up having to mount your ESC that it will bump into your ESC and make it difficult for you. So it works better with a shorty. I put a Hobby Wing 21.5 motor in here, an ESC from Hobby Wing, and it works really good. It's belt driven. You got a belt here and a belt in the back that runs to your differential back here in the back. This is like a typical touring car chassis. It's just smaller. So let's just measure this chassis out just to see what the length is of this chassis. This chassis is about 11.5 inches from the back to the front. Now the wheelbase on these chassis, you're looking at probably like 8.25, which this is a 210 chassis, which you can adjust this chassis back here in the back. It's got holes in it, so you can move the rear end of this car forward, or you can move it backwards to fit the body of the car that you want to put on. So let's get a better picture of it. Like that. Yeah, there it is. This is a very fun little car to drive. It's probably going to be better for an indoor body, an indoor car. And hey, you like it, just enjoy it. And this is what you get for this chassis. There you have it, the Sakura Mini M4 Sport 3Racing chassis. It's a fun build and a great way to get into building RC without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching.